What's going on? Y'all see I'm back with another video. So y'all see where we starting at. Now really, I was gonna get like a little rundown story time, but I don't know. I'm still debating on that with the story time. But what I can say, I will be doing like not an unboxing, because I don't want to take everything out the box, because I know I ain't gonna be able to get to everything today. But I'll just give y'all, I guess, glimpse of what I got and what I need for my particular build. So of course, if you haven't been following me, I'm doing an LS swap. It's really a 5.4 because I boarded over 20, but this is a 5.3 LS out of a truck LM7. I had a board over 20. I polished the pistons, got everything balanced. It's really race car ready. You feel me? Got that done. I already did all of this work, so this is really done. But what I can say, I think I tightened them down. But since I had my heads milled, also I had to get some custom push rods, and they should be here today. Am I putting them in today? I don't know. Maybe not. But from what y'all see, this kind of looked like the last two videos I made, but really I kind of made a lot of progress as far as running the wires, making sure everything is everything. I put my sensors in, even my sensors for my oil. I think that's back there. Yeah, back there. On the other side, I got my coolant temp sensor. So really, she's kind of really done. You see, I already got my wires ran. You see, I got the power. My starters right there. Got him. Got my oil. I really got a lot of parts, but I'll just give y'all like a small parts rundown, because it's just gonna be too much. Yeah, I mean, basics, oil filter, this and that. Also, I did a battery relocation. So for the people that's new, I ran my battery to the back. So let me move this out of the way. I didn't even know I had this plugged up. So I plugged this up to see if I can have this to work or not. Move this out the way. Set them to the side. So right here, as y'all see, the plug right there, that's actually where I'm gonna be jumping off like a 4 gauge to the starter and having this on the starter, so I can have the power to go in and out. So yes, this is custom, obviously. Y'all can't really see. Yeah, y'all can't really see, but I got the power wire ran under all the way back, and there she go, right here to the trunk. And of course I got this too. So yeah, that's it for that. Got my tail lights. I'm using the Corvette filter, and I'm actually gonna be using AN fittings. I'm doing the -6. So I got the connector to go on like this, to slide on with the thread on it. Okay, is it anything else I missed? So far, no. So it's actually a manual swap. That's why y'all see the bell housing and the transmission in the back. For the people that don't know, got my line right here. I power steering delete using electric. So I'm technically probably gonna put it on this side because the lines is right here. But if I do put it on that end, I'm gonna have to run the lines along the radiator shroud at the bottom. Okay, now parts. Since I'm doing a manual swap, y'all, and it didn't come with one, I had to really buy every bolt when it came to the clutch, bell housing, and all that. So I got the ARP for the clutch. This is my pulley for the power steering delete with my custom belt. That's the pulley. Y'all see the starter. I don't got to take that out. I don't know what this is. Oh, this is my fuse. So instead of me trying to find all hot wire and ground, I just got a box for it with actually a fuse. So I feel like this would be a good thing to do for any swap. You see? Then I think this rated up to, I think 300 amp, something like that. 300 amp. I gotta make sure, but yeah, because I ain't want to, you know what I'm saying, try to look for something. So I got this. Dang. Yeah, so I ain't want to try to look for different power sources and running everything off of one wire. Like, I want to try to do that. This is what this is. Cam and lifter lube. I already actually got that in there. Fuel filter. -6. This actually go on the side of the block right here, so I can actually prime my system of oil because I don't want to dry start. So with my gauges, I was missing some of these, so I ordered these. These is for the wheels. Oh, this is my pulley. So y'all know normally for the trucks, where all trucks that I seen, the alternator mounts up here. I'm mounting mine right here. That just look ugly. I didn't want it up there. So that's what this is. Okay. Of course, the bell housing, I showed y'all that. This is actually my universal radiator hose. Oh, and this is so my work can look very professional. Some professional grade tape so it can look real good and neat. This way better. Oh, O2 sensors. Trying to do this on the slickety tip. Yep. Now what this is. Oh, this is the AN line holder. You know, like I said, I want to make it look real professional. These are my fittings for when I run my my oil cooler. I did the -10. Yeah, I ain't trying to play with it. You know what I mean? Yeah, exhaust manifold bolts from the spot. You know what I mean? Oh, y'all. This was one of like my favorite parts. This is actually my overflow tank, but look at it though. Right now, the best part to me is this part. This actually go on the side and it tells me the level from the outside. Man, it's so lit. This is the part I really can't wait for. I can't wait for this. With mine, I went LED everything. I ain't get the headlights yet because they, you know what I mean? Like, I'm trying to get the car running, but for the tail light, I went LED everything. So these, and I matched the color with whatever it got to do, like my reverse lights and turn signal lights. I did it in the LED color. So of course these would be the brake lights. They red. It's the license plate. I think this is the turn signal. So I got these in amber. Yep, turn signal. Man, y'all, I'm going full-fledged with it. Amber. I don't know what this is. This is pretty heavy too. No, I opened it already. Oh, this is my throwout bearing, y'all. Yep, it's the throwout. You know what I mean? That's the throwout. With the shims, you know what I mean? I only went with 92. It ain't that serious. You know what I mean? Whew, can't wait to see that on the front. Well, it's gonna go black, but I'm like, nah, I'll throw the silver on there. Oh, I ain't putting this on yet, y'all. But as y'all see, fuel regulator. I ain't running this yet because I'm gonna do the Corvette filter, but it's here if I need to. This is a relay kit for the fuel pump. I think my Hornets already come with one, but if not, I'm actually will use this for my power steering, my electric power steering. Oh, I'm big hurt. Oh. So as y'all see, these are connectors. I didn't want to just splice everything and make it look weird. Like, I really want this to look professional, so I bought some connectors with the pin, and I'll be doing that from the inside and the outside. So that's actually what these are. I got a box just like this. Oh, this is my fuel line kit here. Yeah, I'm AN everything. Oh, E85 too, most definitely. Yes, this is it. So this is the relay kit for the fans. Yes. And really, I dang near went through all the parts, y'all. Okay, well, I'll give y'all a rundown on what actually took place for, like, why the car not actually running yet. Because I said in other videos, I said when I drop this video, that means my car's running. That was actually true, but I had made other plans as far as my living situation, and I moved to a whole nother state. You feel me? Best decision. But by God's glory and the people He had me connected with, the reason I move is also the reason why my car is about to be done. Now, y'all seeing this video, obviously y'all see all the parts, because I actually, when I first did it, man, we finna drive, and I'm gonna have to give y'all the rundown.